Alright, on the 2014 f450 with the Marketplace upgrade 19.5 wheels. Got the rears done on the driver's side and got the front done. My phone had overheated and stopped recording, so I lost a little bit, but I'll get you on the passenger side. These are 8 by 200 bolt pattern, but I believe these were ordered for a Dodge because I'm having to sand this out just a little bit, 40 thousandths, to get it to go over the front wheel hub and the rear. So shop's a mess, but still got the stocks on the driver or passenger side. So center hub on the rear, one-handed. I'm having to 5.5. I'm having to sand it to 5.58. So I got to take about 40 thousandths out on both rears. The front seemed to go on just fine, but the rears are a little bit of a biznatch. So what I'm doing is just light pressure with my air sander, slap disc, just slowly going around, not focusing too much time in one spot, really just taking the thickness of the powder coat off with a little bit of material for it to go over, and then I'm anti-seizing on the axle hub to get it to go on snug. But my phone is almost dead. I might be able to catch the front, but the rear is just going to be a little bit of me cleaning out both wheels to get them on. But big difference from the stock 17s to the 19.5s, which is crazy that from 2011 to 2016 the 450s came with a 17-inch wheel when every other generation came with 19.5s. Hey, it's the next day out of the shop, out running around. Got the air pressure all juiced up to 110 psi per wheel. Nice and smooth, no road noise. Fuel mileage is up about 3.5 miles to the gallon. I would average about 13. Now I'm getting about 16.6, 16.7. Last night my phone died, but this is how she looks. Sexy.